here. Really cool basement. We got a lot to show you. We're gonna walk you through, but obviously we got this great bar slash kitchenette area here. What I love about this is we have about a 12-foot back wall. We used it really nicely with the cabinets in the middle and shelving on each side. What I really like is the fact that we went with an island instead of a traditional bar. In this case, you can sit 6, 8 people in a circle, hang out with family, eat, drink, board games, cards, you name it. So islands are really a thing that we're seeing a lot more as people are trying to make these basements more family oriented. So this is the main part of the basement. As you can see, it's beautiful. We got tray ceilings everywhere. We have this little alcove right here. We utilize that to create a little wet bar. They got an ice maker in there, a wine fridge, again, some floating shelves, really cool setup. Perfect family room right here. TV hanging on the wall, great fireplace. And you come over here, they have these existing doors. We didn't add these. Now, of course, a lot of people do change these to glass to let in more natural light. In this case, they wanted to keep it this way, which is great. Cut down on the glare on the TV. Obviously, a mudroom bench right here. And what's really cool, we kept this bathroom nice and close right here. Really nice bathroom, you gotta check this out. It's big, it's roomy. We got a 4-foot vanity, huge shower, really done nicely, little alcove right here. Just love the way this is set up. And this is an interesting spot because we were working around some utilities, which you can see right here in these hidden doors. So we had to have access for the furnace and also for the salt delivery right here. Also doubles as a storage room. I'm gonna show you that right here. Check this out. As you can see, the storage room doubles and comes right through. They have a really nice setup. This is the kids' room. We put some structural supports here to hang these swings. What's really great about this room is you think of it as, okay, it's a 10 by 14 room, but that's really not it because these doors give the homeowners and the kids the opportunity to either close these doors and cut up the sound, or not only open these doors, but open these as well. And this entire room opens up and they can play in this whole area, put the stuff away, close the doors. Very, very cool setup. I love the way this is done. We had this little dead space, and we're really the king of using every inch of the basement. Right here, there was a column in the way, and it was like, what do we do here? But she cuts hair, and we thought, hey, why don't we give her a little special place where she can come in, cut family and friends, got a little mirror right here, a sink here. It doesn't need to be that big, and it utilizes the purpose for her that she really wanted, so that worked out fantastic. So as we come back over here where we started, we got a beware of dog sign here because the dogs are actually in there right now and they're being great. You can take a peek. He's staring right at us right now. But this is also the place where husband sleeps when he misbehaves. So you know how I love opening up the stairs, right? Of course it was a no-brainer to open up the stairs on this side. However, we had this very small area on the other side of the stairs where the move would have been simple. Just build a wall here, right? And everybody you talk to is going to tell you to do that. But because the staircase was so close to this wall, I really wanted both sides to be open. In order for us to do that, we ripped down these walls, did the structural supports, but we gained this space and you said, well, what are we going to do with this space? So we hid a large fridge in here. And I love that because it's not sitting out in that beautiful area over there where the bar and hangout is. And then we have even more cabinets in storage here as well. So this is a true example of how to get the most out of the square footage of the basement and take 1,200 square feet, give the homeowner all the wish list items that they want, and create something beautiful just like this.